Daddy. You know, did every fire that I am blah.
You're hungry. You cannot fast, you cannot pray. I see what you eat today. Even the Bible said that serve your Lord with your heart, not with your stomach.
You know, they say, man shall not be by bread alone. Add something.
So you know Bible that means
Add anything, Mama.
okay, you want to eat that?
You
You want to eat? If you want to eat anything in this house, you will leave that and pray for 3 hours.